In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can freeze any frame of your video. We're going to freeze the image just when the person jumps and is in the air, right in this frame of the video. Once we've chosen the frame that we want to freeze, is very simple. First, we zoom in on our timeline. Perfect. Next, we select the blade edit mode by clicking on this icon here. With the blade edit mode selected, we left-click in the frame that we have chosen to freeze, and we cut again by left-clicking. In this way, we will have a clip with only one frame that we want to freeze. We can now remove the blade tool. We're not going to use it anymore. We drag to the right the entire part of the video that goes after the frame that we just cut. This part here. We move to the right. Great! Now we simply right-click on the clip with the frame and look for the option Change Clip Speed. This menu will appear. Here we have to activate the box Freeze Frame. Perfect. We click Change. And we still have the frozen frame. We must adjust the duration of the clip with the frozen image. For this, we click on the side of the clip and drag to the right. Adjust the duration of the clip to your liking. Now we will have all this part with the frozen video. Rejoin the part of the video that we have previously separated. And we would already have the finished video with the part we wanted completely frozen. It couldn't be easier. I hope this video has been helpful to you. As always, here I leave you with the free DaVinci Resolve course, so you can learn a lot of new things. And nothing else. See you in the next video.